Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock King Bee in Garden game of Roblox Bizzy Bee event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. To unlock the King Bee, you need to go to the Royal Jelly shop and you can purchase the King Bee pet from here. This is the King Bee guys. And if I'm not mistaken, it cost 1.2k royal jelly coins. And I'm going to click on this menu, and this menu will give you information about the king bee. Okay, king pollinator occasionally mutates a number of random fruits in your garden with pollinated, and for the king, occasionally, all pollinated fruits in your garden have a chance to also get the honey jam mutation, where every fruit mutated grants bonus XP and advances growth of 8 random plants. So yeah, it has multiple multiple abilities. Um, it has the king pollinator ability and also the king bee. Yeah, it's pretty worth. So if you have 1.2k royal jellies, you can immediately buy this king bee from this royal shop. Okay guys, and that's all about king bee. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.